Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on your laptop. First, consider if you need the full desktop application or if the web version suits your needs. Many users find the online version sufficient for basic tasks, offering convenience without installation. We'll explore both options, helping you choose the best fit for your workflow and budget. This guide simplifies the process, ensuring you can start using Excel quickly. You have a few key ways to get Excel. The most common is a Microsoft 365 subscription, which provides the full desktop application along with other Office apps for a monthly or annual fee. Alternatively, you can make a one-time purchase of Excel as a standalone product. For basic use, a free online version is accessible with a Microsoft account, offering essential spreadsheet functions directly in your browser. Once you've chosen your Excel version, installation is simple. For Microsoft 365 or a standalone purchase, log into your Microsoft account and download the installer. Run the file and follow the prompts. It typically takes a few minutes. If you're using the free online version, simply open your web browser, navigate to the Microsoft Office website, and sign in with your Microsoft account to start using Excel immediately. To get the most out of Excel, always ensure your laptop meets the recommended system requirements for smooth operation. Keeping your software updated is also crucial, as Microsoft frequently releases new features and important security patches. This ensures you're always working with the best and most secure version. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.